minus the smaller number.
Very good, Ibrahim. Then in case if we have different numbers like this one and we want to draw a dot plot. So first you have to draw a dot plot like this. Okay, and
Hmm.
then you will start to put the numbers. So the least number,
We're going to do the box whisker, the
no, this
whisker
one
box.
dot plot, dot plot. If I want to draw the dot plot, right? So I
Oh,
have 11, and we have what? And we have 12, right? So we can see that we have 12, and we have 11, and we have 15. One else. What else? Okay, Ibrahim. Which numbers you can see here? Huh?
18.
Yes. So we have also 18, and we have 20, right?
After 20, it will be 21, then
And also,
35.
yes, we have 21, and we have 35, right? So we will start to plot the
Yes.
points now above each one. We will just write across. So we have 21. So where you can see 21. So I'm going to put a dot like this or across. 11. I have 1. And 12. This is another one. So we took already 21 and we took 11 and 12, 15. We put it here. And then 18. Then 20. Then 35, okay, 12 again, and 11 again, right? So if I
Yes.
have here one more 12 like this, so it will be like this, right? So this is how we can draw the dot plots, right? What is the mean for the numbers which you can see it here? How we will calculate the mean? Mhm. If we want to calculate the mean, then what we are going to do, Ibrahim?
We're going the medium,
The mean.
the mean.
Yes.
The mean, we're going to add the numbers and then divide
So
by 9.
very good. So we have 21 plus 11 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 plus 35 plus 12 plus 11 plus 12, right? And then we will put all these numbers, we will divide them over. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we will divide it by how many, Ibrahim?
We'll divide it by 9.
By 10. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Did you calculate it?
Yeah.
Do you have your calculator to find the answer?
Uh,
Hmm.
okay, yes. What do I write?
So we have to, we want to calculate the mean for the following numbers. Then first
So it's
number
going
is
to be
21 plus 11
21 plus
plus
11
12
plus 12
plus 15
plus
plus
15
18 plus
plus
20
18
plus 35 plus 12 plus 11 plus 12, right? This is divided by 10. Then
Um,
here,
it will be 156.2.
no, it will be 160, 167.
Yes.
Okay, so 167 divided by 10, so the answer it will be equal
16.7.
16.7. Very good. So this is if we want to calculate the mean. So once we want to calculate the mean, we will add all the numbers and we will divide by their numbers. How we will
Mm.
calculate the median, Ibrahim? First step, what we are going to do? Calculate the median.
The median,
Yes.
we're going to arrange the numbers from the
Yes,
smaller
very
to
good.
bigger.
Yes, 11, 11, and then we have 12, 12, and then one more 12, right? And then we
Yes.
have 15, and then 18, 20, 21, and 35, right? Do you know
Yes.
how we can find the order of the median? How many numbers do we have
What?
here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
10.
9, 10, right? So we have
Yes.
10 numbers. Do you know how we can find the order of the median, Ibrahim?
Yes. We're
Ah,
going to make a bracket or like across on the first number and the last number, and we're going
okay,
to do
yes,
it.
yes. We can cross one from the beginning and one from the
Yes.
end, or we can find the order of median like this: n
Mm.
divided by 2 and n divided by 2 plus 1, Ibrahim.
Mm.
How? I have 10 numbers, right? Then we
What?
are going to say 10 divided by 2. It will be equal how many? It will be equal 5, right? So we said n divided by 2 and n divided by 2 plus 1, which means 5. And then the next it will be what? It will be 6. We will go. We said that this one represents what, Ibrahim? In order of median. Okay, then we will
Yes.
go to the data and we will check 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. So those two numbers, we will find the average, then we will calculate the median. So I'll back here to the median for this set of data. It will be 12 plus 15 divided by 2. Okay, then it's a 27 divided by 2. It will be how many? 27 divided by 2. You got it? 13.5.
Mm.
Okay, 13.5. What is the range of this bit of data? What is the range?
The range is 35 minus 11. 35
Exactly.
minus 11,
Very good.
it will be
Uh,
20, 24.
35 minus 11, it will be equal 24, which means the least number minus the greatest number. Sorry, the greatest number minus the least number. And what is the mode?
The mode is the most repeating number,
Yes, the most repeating numbers here
and
is,
the
yes,
bigger one.
which
It will
one?
be the 12.
It will be
12
12,
because
right?
12 has the 3 times and only
Exactly.
one
So
big.
12 is the most often or occurs more than the others, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the first part, to draw a dot plot. If we want to use the same here, the same example, and I want to draw a box and whisker plot, do you know how we can use it?
Um,
If I want to draw a box and whisker plot here, so what I
we're
have to
going
do,
to do like a line plot, and then we do the points.
yes, we will add only first quartile and second quartile, right? How we will write first quartile and second quartile. Already we have the median. Already we have the median for the set of data, right? So the median
Yes.
for the set of data, it was 5th and 6th, right? I will back just a second. Okay. So the median was 12 and 15, the order, right? If I want now to draw the median for the lower data and the upper data, so I can say that this one is the lower, okay, lower group, and this is the upper group. So I want to calculate now the first and the third quartile. Then count with me, please. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd or even number? 5.
5
Uh-huh.
is the odd.
Odd. So if I want to find the mode, sorry, the median, and they are odd, so we can say that n plus 1, okay, divided by 2. So it will be 5 plus 1 equals 6, divided by 2 equal 3. So I will go directly and I'm going to take 12. So this one, it will be what? It will be the first quartile. And already we have 12 plus 13 plus 15, so 13.5. This is what? Second quartile. And we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same. So this is the third quartile. So if I want to use this data to represent them by box and whisker plots, so we have 11 is the least number. The first quartile was 12. Second quartile was 13.5. Third quartile 20, and the greatest value is 35, right? So this is 35,
Yes.
and this is 20. Second
Uh,
quartile is 13.5. So we can draw a number line. We can choose only the points which we are looking for, and the least
yes,
value
the quiz
is
going to be on a paper,
11.
yes?
Sorry,
The quiz is going to be on a paper.
in a paper. Yes, you will print it and then you take a copy and then you send it to me on.
I didn't know my last score of my quiz.
I already sent it, I think, Ibrahim.
Me? No.
Yes.
You
Okay. So
sent it on SMS?
let me check. Let me check. Okay, but I'm talking now about البوكس and
Oh,
whisker plot. Did you know the percentage, the last point which we were talking about? If we want to know the percent for each part, so each part, this is 25%, right? So this one is 25%, and the second is 25%. Each part equal how many, Ibrahim?
25, 25, yes. 25 plus 25 plus 25, it will be 100%.
Yes, yes, very good. So we divided it into 4 parts. Okay, any other question, Ibrahim?
No, yes, thank you.
Okay, you will be ready, inshallah, for our quiz tomorrow. On time, you will find it in our SMS. Then you are going to